Now, another cool change that took place in iPadOS is screenshots. And so now if I want to, let's say I open up the Holman website. So I have a web page here, and this web page is bigger than will fit onto my iPad. So I have to scroll down in order to see the entire page. Well, now if I'm in Safari and I was to take a screenshot, when I tap on that screenshot, I now have the ability at the top to access just a single screen, just like I did before, or I have a button up here at the top that says full page. And what this will do is this will give me a full page version of that screenshot. And if I was to take two fingers and drag, I can scroll through and see that this screenshot is actually going to be a lot bigger than just what would normally have fit onto my screen before. So screen is just whatever was on your iPad screen and that's it, but full page will actually take a recording or a screenshot of the entire website that was on here from top to bottom. So that works only in Safari, and that works with screenshots, and I can do full page. Now while I'm in here, you might notice we have some new markup tools. It allows me to mark up on my devices or on my documents or anything I do take a screenshot to. It works the same as it did before. It's just a little cleaned up. It also now allows you to move it around. So if you wanted to move it from one side to the other, you can do that. You can move it to the bottom, to the top, and you can even tap these little three lines and you can minimize it, where it'll stay out of your way until you tap on it, and then it expands when you want. You can customize it. You can insert text boxes. It's got a little magnifier tool that you can use to be able to point things out that didn't exist before. So it's a really full-featured toolbox in order to be able to do some pretty cool things with your annotations.